Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chalk and Roll. In today's video, we will learn the power of ABS formula. So if you can see in on my screen in column C3, I have a negative number, and in column E3, I have a positive number. Uh, I need an output after doing the addition of both the number as 2. If I am doing a addition of C3 plus E3, I'm getting a 0. For that, first we have to change the negative number into a positive number. And how do we do that? We just need to apply a powerful formula, ABS, or absolute is equal to ABS parenthesis start will refer C3, close the parenthesis. Now we have the negative number changed into a positive number, and we already have positive number in E3. So if now we are doing a addition, we'll be getting a output as 2. So if you see, so this is the power of absolute or ABS function in Excel. This function is very useful when we are preparing the calculators, and we have to ignore the minus value or the negative sign front of any number. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.